Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading you a poem called Your New Mission from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Your new mission. There's not one challenge that is too difficult to overcome. If someone did it, so can you. And if nobody did it, you can be the pioneer on a new mission. Bless the ones who paved the course for you, and blessed you for paving the course for them. If God said all things are possible, there's not one mission that is too difficult to overcome. The only impossibility is your thoughts. So your new mission can be, I can. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's so powerful. And I believe this. If it's truly coming from what you love deep down and from your heart, I believe you can do it. Anything that is, whatever that is. But not the ego stuff. I'm talking about the stuff that's deep. Like I always say, slow your vibrations down. Dig deep. Let go of that ego. Just let it go. Just let things come to you and flow out. Listen to your intuition. Follow love. I believe if you follow love, you'll be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.